How to fix or change YouTube language and audio on Android. In this video, I'll show you how to do it on your Android in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Now scroll down and tap General Management, then tap Language. Make sure your preferred language is at the top of the list. If needed, add your language and move it to the top. Next, open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, tap the Settings icon, then select General. If your version of YouTube supports app language, tap it and choose your preferred language. If a video is playing in the wrong language, open the video, tap the Settings gear icon, then tap Audio Track and select Original or your preferred language. If you don't see the audio track option, it means that video doesn't support multiple audio tracks or automatic dubbing. That's it. Your YouTube app and supported videos should now use your preferred language. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.